Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken breast with tomato sauce and vegetable. The vegetable is optional. You can just use whatever vegetable you have got it in your fridge. So I have got carrot, which I'm using one carrot, one courgette and one onion, and a handful of baby corn plus handful of coriander, chopped coriander, and then a tablespoon of tomato puree and enough salt, pepper and turmeric, plus all pepper seasoning, which you can buy it from any supermarket. We have got one lime, which we are going to use half of it, and can of tomato, any peeled tomato. This would be enough for 3 to 4 people, and I'm going to serve it tonight with rice. I am going to make 2 cups of this size rice, which is enough for 4 people, but again it's totally optional and you can choose it. So let's go cook. So add couple of tablespoon oil, and let it little bit heat it up. Take your chicken with you and put a little bit of salt, pinch of salt, and then gently put them there like this. Add more salt to the other side and a little bit of pepper. That's all you need. And put the lid on for 10 minutes. So let's check how the chickens are doing. So as you can see, it's caramelized in one side. We just turn it to have the same color in the other side for just 5 minutes, and you don't need to put the lids on again. Our chickens are ready. I just take them out and put it aside. But right now we are going to add our chopped onion to the same frying pan. So frying your onion until it's golden. While onion is frying, I'm going to chop my tomatoes. I have got a plum tomato. That's the reason I'm going to blend it. But if you have got a chopped tomatoes, that's fine. You don't need it to do anything. We're nearly done with frying our onions, so it's time to add our spices. just let your spice a little bit fry to just take the taste out of them. Although, add your tomato puree. Put some water in your kettle to boil some water. It's approximately a glass of water would be enough. So, and then time to put back your chicken in. So let them little bit have the taste of the spice and onion and tomato puree. So your chickens observe a little bit of the taste of the spice. Now you're adding your tomato. And also add your half lime. So you can just put the water inside your can, so that can be like a measurement for you. You can put the lid on again for 15 minutes. For the rice, I prepared already and I've told you about it. I used this for the measurement. 2 of these would be enough for 4 people. So I put rice inside my pan, and then I put sufficient water until it's covered the top of the rice, pinch of salt, half a tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and then put the lid on and put it on a gentle heat to cook it. This way you wanted to cook your rice. It takes you an hour, but the outcome would be great, trust me. So let's have a look. We are going to add our carrot plus our courgette. You don't need to put the lid on again, so, and this will take you just for 5 minutes to 7 minutes, so we can just come back there and check it after 7 minutes. So our rice is ready. As I said, it takes longer, but the outcome is good. So you have got a crusty top. Listen. And fluffy rice in the middle. So that is a great outcome. I put some cumin seeds on the top of the rice. It's optional, you can do it or not. So let's fish out one of these chicken breasts. These chicken breasts has been cooked in a tomato juice, so they should be really moist and tender. Don't worry about them to be dry or things. So a couple of carrots and one of your courgette. So a little bit of tomato juice is going on the top of your chicken. It smells amazing. So, and then I have got some baby corn. which is I'm using for garnishing, in a plate, and some coriander. Yeah. This is the way we can plate it up. And so we have got chicken breast in tomato juice with courgette and carrot. Hope you enjoy your recipe. Thank you for watching and keep safe until next recipe.